Ready to breathe easy? Let's get started. Let's master that inhaler together. First things first, make sure you have your inhaler and spacer if you use one. Shake your inhaler well before each use. This ensures the medication is properly mixed. Next, remove the cap and check for any blockages. A clear inhaler is crucial for effective use. Now, exhale completely, pushing all that air out. This prepares your lungs for the medication. Hold the inhaler upright and place it in your mouth, sealing your lips around it to ensure no air escapes. Breathe in slowly and deeply while pressing down on the inhaler to release the medication. This helps the medicine reach deep into your lungs. Hold your breath for about 10 seconds to allow the medication to settle. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth. This helps clear any remaining medication. If you need a second puff, don't rush. Wait about a minute before repeating these steps. This gives your lungs time to absorb the first dose. And don't forget, always rinse your mouth after using a steroid inhaler to prevent irritation and infections. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep these steps handy, and soon, with regular practice, you'll be a pro at using your inhaler. Breathe easy, friends. Your health is in your hands. And if you need more tips, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more helpful videos. Stay healthy. To keep your inhaler in top condition, clean it once a week. Remove the canister and rinse the mouthpiece with warm water. Let it air dry completely before reassembling. Avoid common mistakes like not shaking the inhaler, exhaling too quickly, or not sealing your lips properly around the mouthpiece. These can reduce the effectiveness of your medication. If you use a spacer, attach it to the inhaler and follow the same steps. The spacer helps ensure more medication reaches your lungs. Store your inhaler in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Always check the expiration date on your inhaler. Using an expired inhaler can be less effective. With these tips and regular practice, you'll be using your inhaler like a pro in no time. Breathe easy and stay healthy.